Welcome to the analytics section of Play. Here, you'll be able to stay informed on your business by getting the insights you need fast without any analytics experience or technical mumbo-jumbo. Let's get started. Have you ever logged into Google Analytics or Google Ads or YouTube Analytics and just been overwhelmed by all the numbers, the different graphs, and what it all means? Well, Play's here to solve that. It's here to answer your core business questions like how do customers find you? Where are your fans putting their eyes and ears? And it's built to be easily transferable across different platforms like Google Analytics and YouTube Analytics. You can easily find your top insights like are my videos sticky? What are my top playlists for YouTube? And your top cities and more. It's built to find the right answers essentially, fast. You can easily connect to any of your Google Analytics accounts seamlessly in just a few taps. You can choose between your different properties and views. If you're looking at Google Analytics, you'll see a visitor's remaining progress tracker at the top of your screen. This will help you see how many website visits you need each month to reach your revenue goal. So you can just tap the three dots at the top and get to this screen where you can add your revenue goal, your price per product, and see how many website visitors you need per month to reach your revenue goals. And you can look at this every single day to see how you're tracking to meet your goal. We know how crucial it is to stay up to date on how your business is doing. That's why we've created a simple and fast weekly report that you can get in seconds. You'll get answers to your most important questions in plain English. You can also see the percentage change from week over week, accompanied with a nice graph. You can also switch and easily select between different insights that are automatically recommended to you. And we know how difficult it can be to learn new interfaces, so that's why we've made Play extremely easy so you can just ask your question like, how do customers find me? And Play will automatically generate a nice looking graph and give you an answer in plain English. You can easily switch between different time periods like 7 days, 30 days, and 365 days for when you go through and select your different insights below. Seamlessly switch over to another platform like YouTube. So you can scroll through all the different insights in YouTube Analytics. Switch between your different YouTube channels. At the top of YouTube, you'll see a views per video remaining. Think of this as your channel growth progress bar. Your channel growth, which is how many subscribers that you're gaining and how many subscribers that you want at the end of the year, can be drilled down into how many average views that each of your video gets. So this is a way that you can track your performance every single day and every single month to make sure that you're heading towards the right goal. You can also get a fast and easy to understand weekly report to see how your channel is growing, what other videos you should be making, and what current videos are doing well to grow your channel. You can scroll through a list of recommended insights, and we're always adding new insights and platforms like Facebook to analytics regularly, so make sure you check back.